Are you preparing for an important exam or interview? Want a secret for guaranteed success? Stay with me for this life-changing wazifa that works. First, start with a pure intention. Make a sincere intention to seek Allah's help. Say, Ya Allah, grant me success and guide me to excellence. Clear your mind and focus on your goals. Begin your preparation with a small dua like Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Next, recite Surah Al-Inshirah, chapter 94 of the Quran, 7 times before studying or going for your interview. It removes stress and opens your mind to opportunities. Repeat it daily in a calm environment to boost your focus. For confidence, say Ya Fatah 100 times daily, especially before starting your preparation or leaving for the interview. This beautiful name of Allah means the opener. It brings ease and opens doors to success. To seek barakah in your time, recite Astaghfirullah 100 times a day. This will cleanse your heart and bring blessings to your hard work. Schedule your day for efficient study and practice while relying on Allah's blessings. Lastly, pray Tahajjud, the night prayer. Wake up before Fajr and pray 2 rakats, then ask Allah for success with tears and sincerity. The time of Tahajjud is the most effective for accepted prayers. Success comes from Allah, but your effort matters too. Start practicing this wazifa daily and watch miracles happen. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more powerful tips. Your success is waiting.